there, guys. Ralf was streaming. Here's a big shout out to Mike from Royal Restorations out of Westchester, Pennsylvania. It is incredible. Also to my brother-in-law Jay. It's amazing. As you can see, they did a phenomenal job. This car is a completely different color, and the sheen and shine everywhere is incredible. I'm so glad that we spent money on this, and I think Mike might have found a loyal customer. I mean, the chrome, look at the chrome, it is popping. I don't think I would have been able to do that, at least not the first couple of tries. I'm not a novice, as you know, but that is incredible. Look at that shine everywhere. The paint is so smooth. Look at the window. It is absolutely phenomenal what Mike did. The car was gone for the whole day, and I have to say, wow, the detail-oriented work that he put in there. Every nook and cranny is cleaned. The car smells super. Floor mats, nice and clean. The sheepskins, center console. I mean, this is amazing. I mean, this is absolutely nothing short of absolutely amazing what he did. Look at every detail. It is beautiful. I am ecstatic over the final result. The seals are nice, protected and all. We're gonna go to the back. I mean, I know I'm coming off the winter driving, but look at this is incredible. That is, I have to say, I've turned to be a believer. Look at the leather. Nice and supple that is. I know this car hadn't been cleaned right in years and sat around at the place where from whom I bought it. Then even the back, just look at it. Absolutely phenomenal. He did such a wonderful I just can't get over it. It is so shiny, so smooth. I'm like a kid in a toy store. Even the trunk, he did just absolutely. And never mind the ugly blankets, but that is there to protect the rest of the stuff from all kinds of nonsense. But you can see every little detail got cleaned. Phenomenal. Let's take a look with a little bit more light. This leather was in okay shape, and it is in okay shape, but I have no idea what leather protecting product he put on there, but it's not even recognizable. This is how nice the leather looked. Wow. And here I know we had some interesting water damage or something. Something was left open and left all kinds of white residue. I'm sure that wasn't fun to clean. But you can see. And oh, I forgot one little detail, and that is the tank filler. You know that this is a diesel, so there's usually all kinds of gunk here. Nothing left of that. Wow. So I have to say, I might have to send this out twice a year to get clean. Plus, you know, I drive a lot. I already, since putting it back on the road, I already put 10,000 miles on it. So this is getting a lot of use. And that to me is my philosophy. I'd like to keep these machines on the road because they love to be driven. Letting them stand is never good. And even the instrument cluster, just look at it. I mean, that is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Wow. I am tickled pink. Even the steering wheel, I just noticed, that normally has that faded look to it, and it may not pop up like that on the camera that it does, how it does in person, but wow. That is just absolutely phenomenal. The wheels are just nice, clean. And I can't get over how smooth the paint is. I mean, wow. Well, all I can say is, if you have any of your old Benzes anywhere in the garage or on the road, that might just be a move to give your friendly local detailer your business. And I think Mike might have gotten himself a loyal follower, because I just absolutely love how this car looks. Really phenomenal. Thanks, Mike. And yeah, well, keep the old Benzes on the road, and I hope to hear from you. Give me a like, and also freely share links to the channels. I'm hoping to provide plenty of links, useful tips for you to use so you can keep your Benzes on the road too. It's very rare anymore that you get to see any of these, or even the 123s are getting pretty rare anymore. Hi there. So on the at the end, again, I would love nothing more than for you to hear from you and to see what other videos you might like where I can provide some insight or help. There's a message in the posts where I would love for you to leave a note to see what's coming up. I intend to do one on the sunroof. That is going to be a multi-part one, 4 or 5 episodes or something like that. That's definitely one that I'd like to do this year, and let's see how that goes. Take care.